You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In this video, I'll be talking about Binance Launchpad. We see 2 days ago, Binance just announced a new launchpad right here on Binance Launchpad. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to participate in the Binance Launchpad, the step-by-step process, and how you can benefit from this very launchpad greatly. And most importantly, the risks involved in participating in Binance Launchpad. Now, if there is anything I will advise you guys to participate in to get yourself involved, is the Binance Launchpad. And right here, Binance just announced the beta launchpad right there on Binance. So what you have to do right here is to log into your Binance account, then ensure your account is verified. Then you go right here and then you move to launchpad, or you simply click on this very icon right here and it will take you to this very page on the launchpad. So the question is, what is Binance Launchpad? So Binance Launchpad will help you do a lot of stuff. So what is a launchpad? How can I participate, and how can you gain from the launchpad? Binance Launchpad is a token launch platform on Binance. So the launchpad helps blockchain projects to raise funds. That is the main goal of the Binance Launchpad. You know, the reason is because Binance have a lot of customers that trust them. So if a project wants to actually raise funds, Binance is a good place to actually raise funds quickly because of the trust that Binance users have in Binance. Okay, so right here you go over to this very page and then you go here and then you move straight away to launchpad. So right there on the Binance Launchpad, we see Binance announce the Beta Finance Launchpad. Now, how will you participate in this very launchpad? The first thing you have to do is you have to be a Binance user and your account have to be verified. That's the first stage. The second one is you must have to hold BNB from the date of announcement of this very project. Now, if you did not hold BNB from the date of announcement, you can start holding BNB now. Binance give 8 days preparation period for this very launchpad, so you have to get in right away. So if I view details, this will come up, and then the first thing you have to do after you are registered Binance user, and then you have to verify your account. After the verification, you must hold BNB. That's the first thing. So the first stage in the Binance Launchpad process is the preparation period. Now this preparation period help you hold BNB. This is where users have to hold BNB. Either the BNB in your spot wallet, in your margin wallet, in your futures wallet, in your funding wallet, in any of the Binance wallet, you have to hold BNB right there in that very particular wallet. And the holding have started already. So if you have not started holding BNB, participate in the Beta Finance Launchpad right here on Binance. Start to buy BNB now and hold your BNB so that you can actually participate in this very launchpad. So that's the first stage, is the preparation period. So right there, let's first of all take a look at the economics of the beta token. So right there we have the hard cap of 3 million USD and the total supply of 1 billion beta token, and then the initial circulating supply is 16 of the total token supply. So what this means is the hard cap, that is the money they are expected to generate from Binance, is 3 million US dollars. And then the initial circulating supply of this token that will be released into circulation is 16% of 100% of this very token right here. And then the public sale of this token on Binance will be 0.06 USD. That means, and you are going to be using BNB to buy this very particular token. So that is why you are advised to hold BNB. The only token allowed to use in buying tokens on Launchpad is BNB. So you have to hold BNB. There will be a benchmark price for BNB that you'll be using to buy this token right here on Binance Launchpad. And then the token offer for Binance for this sale period is 50 million beta token. And then hard cap per user. This hard cap per user means that if you want to participate in this very particular launchpad, $20,000 is the maximum amount you can use in BNB to buy this very particular token. That means a single person or a single user on Binance cannot buy more than 20,000 US dollar worth of beta token using their BNB. And then we have here no lock period. This means that no token will be locked after the token says L token will be distributed into circulation or released into circulation. So here we have the token type. The token type here is BEP20 and ERC20. This means that this very particular token, which is the Beta Finance, is built on the smart chain. This is Binance Smart Chain, which is the BEP20 protocol, and also the Ethereum chain, which is the ERC20 protocol. Now, at the end of the token sale, all token will be distributed. That's what it means. So token distribution after the end of token sales. So right here we have seen the economics of this very particular launchpad. So what you need to do, first of all, since we have 7 days left right here, you have to hold BNB. If you don't have BNB in your account, you can buy BNB as well. Now remember that the quantity of Beta Finance you can buy is subject to the quantity of BNB you are holding. So if you are holding little BNB, from the Binance calculation during the BNB holding calculation period will be given to you in relation to the quantity of BNB you are holding. So if you are holding small BNB, you are going to be given a small quantity of this very token. Now if you are holding a large quantity of BNB, you will be given the opportunity to buy more of this token. So the first period is the preparation period, where you have to actually start holding BNB from this very time right there of the recording of this video till the end of the token preparation period, which is on the 8th of October 2021. So after the preparation period, we have the subscription timeline, and then the subscription timeline, the one here is the BNB holding calculation period. So Binance have to calculate the number of users that hold BNB within this period, the quantity of BNB they hold, and then they will now allocate this very token in relation to the quantity of BNB they were holding during these 8 days. Then after the very calculation period, you will have the subscription period, the calculation period initiated, and then the final token period distribution. Now this final token distribution happens in a very short while. Now all this period, the subscription period time, the calculation period, and the final token distribution will happen in the space of about 5 to 6 hours. And you see it here right here. The subscription period starts exactly on the 8th of October at 7 UTC, and then the calculation period starts at 11, the same date UTC, and then the token distribution period will be initiated by 12 UTC on the 8th of October 2021. That is this very month right here. So right now, all you need to do, buy BNB, hold, and then on the 8th of October, the subscription period is going to start by 7 UTC. Now, the subscription period is a period where you have to log into your account and then subscribe. That means the BNB you already been holding, you have to use it to buy the token right there on Binance platform. And I am going to do that video practically right here on Binance as well. And then after you subscribe, this very period, that is by 11 UTC on the 8th of October 2021, Binance will then do the calculation period. The calculation period is when Binance is going to calculate people that participate in the token and all of those, and then the final distribution period is where the token will be distributed and the token will reflect right in your spot wallet. So that is a breakdown on how you can participate on Binance Launchpad Beta Finance. Remember, Beta Finance is a permissionless money market for lending, borrowing, and short selling crypto. So this should tell you that it is a DeFi project. it is a DeFi project. So we have here the token sales on Binance. One beta finance is equal to 0.6 USD, and then the token offer right here for Binance Launchpad is 50 million, and then the hard cap per user, I've talked about it, is $20,000. If you want to take a deep look at what beta finance is all about, you go to the whitelist or you go to the website right here, and then you do further research. So that is how you participate on Binance Launchpad. Now, one more thing, Binance Launchpad is always very, very profitable. Out of 100% of their Launchpad, I can tell you that 95% of their Launchpad is always great. The risk is this: when you participate in a Binance Launchpad and you hold BNB, let's say for example you buy BNB at $350 and BNB starts going down all through the period of holding, okay, you will still get your token, but you see the price of BNB where you bought BNB is already down. Okay, so if you want to participate, you have to also take that risk into consideration. The risk is, what if you buy BNB and BNB starts going down? The truth is, for the token, this token, I am expecting this token to do 500%. 500% from this very token. I am very sure of that. This token will do 500%. So you have to participate in it despite the risks. Ensure you take that risk into consideration very well, and then ensure you participate on Beta Finance. Now, when you've already gotten the Beta Finance token and it is listed, because it's going to be listed on the 10th of October 2021, right here after the final token distribution period by 12 UTC, is going to be listed on Binance. What you have to do is you look at it very well and monitor the charts, that is, monitor how price is moving, and then sell off at a good price. Thank you very much guys for watching today's video. If you are new to the channel, please ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. One more thing, and if you have not registered on Binance, OKX, crypto.com, please check the link in the description of this video and register right now so that you can participate on this very launch pad. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.